YouTube? Welcome back to another video. 72 Blu-ray. Today, we're just riding. We got 4 bikes.
No break.
For real? Oh shit. Here he goes. Oh shit. Dude, he needs to fucking chill on his. Oh! Oh! Oh my. That was the worst loop yet, bro. Dead ass.
No, like it's cooked. I can't even remount it, bro. I need a whole new fucking bike to remount it.
Oh my. Alright. That bike just got cooked. Dead ass, like for real. Dude, after I said he needed to chill, like he's got a whole cast. All that. Well, I guess he's going, he's not. Bro. Oh, hell yeah. I did not fuck with that. Cross the bridge. Break with my fucking pinky, dude. Oh, this seat's hot as fuck. Y'all just know that feeling when you set your bike down for a clip. The next minute you get on your fucking seat and it's like a seat warmer, bro. That shit's genuinely so ass. Okay, bro's popping off.
Over 2 weeks you had to.
Huh?
Just 2 weeks went by and you just knew how to do that.
Yeah. Alright, ready? the girls were unforgettable. They seem to bikinis on top. Sun Christian, so oh shit, we'll melt your popsicle. Oh, 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 oh. Nope. Redo. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Look at that dog chasing me. I remember that. That shit was funny as hell. Here we go. You know how to wheelie, yes, Ronster?
Me?
Yeah, show us some work. I know you got some work on that thing.
It looked like you fucking looped, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you looped?
Yeah.
How many times? I looped my shit.
We'll keep. Nah, we're good. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, comment.